Here's how to set up and use your SEAOURA 42W aquarium plant growth light for tanks from 48 to 58 inches. First, install the adjustable bracket. Simply slide it out until it fits securely across your tank. Once it's in place, plug the power adapter into a nearby outlet. Now, let's set the lighting schedule. On the control panel, choose from 6-hour, 8-hour, or 12-hour timer options. The built-in auto on-off function will run the same cycle every day. And don't worry, the light includes a 15-minute gradual brightness transition, so there are no sudden changes that might stress your fish. Next, customize your lighting. Use the WRB 3-channel control to adjust red, blue, and white levels individually, or pick from 11 preset colors for quick setups. Want more precision? Fine-tune the brightness with 10 different levels, whether you need high intensity for plant growth or a softer glow for evening viewing. If you prefer a natural look, try blending the channels for a balanced full-spectrum setting. This is ideal for photosynthesis and will keep your aquarium plants like Java fern, Anubias, and carpeting species healthy and thriving. Finally, make sure the light is positioned high enough to evenly cover the tank while reducing glare. Once everything's dialed in, you're done. With your SEAOURA Aquarium plant growth light properly set up, you'll enjoy vibrant fish colors, lush plant growth, and a low-maintenance lighting system that works for you automatically.